Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm coming to you for a very special day, a very sad day, because today I'm here at the Ibis Styles Bali Legian, and this is actually the final day this hotel will be open as essentially Ibis Styles Bali Legian, because they're about to close as of tomorrow. This is the final night. It's the 31st of March, and on the 1st of April, this hotel is officially closed for the renovations. They're going to be changing to a TRIBE. It's going to be called, I believe, like TRIBE Bali Legian. There's already a TRIBE Kuta. This will become the TRIBE Bali Legian. They're going to close and do a couple things to kick off with. They're going to start the renovations of the lobby area, the restaurant as well. That's going to take around 4 months. They're going to transform this entire area. And then they're going to reopen. At the moment, you can do bookings from the 1st of August. And I've made a decision to make sure I'm here when they reopen. Now, I don't know if they're going to reopen as TRIBE at that point, or if it will still open as Ibis. We're not really sure. But essentially, the property will reopen after they finish the lobby and also the restaurant. And then they're going to make sure they're going to get all these different rooms done. I don't think they're going to get everything done in 4 months, but essentially they're going to close fully for 4 months. It's going to close from the 1st of April through until the end of July. And then 1st of August is currently the date that this property is set to reopen. So that's the date I booked. I just want to show you this property right now because, like I said, this is the final night and it's so quiet. The last few days have been super quiet, super chill. It's been quite a really surreal feeling to be here at the property when it's closing and it's the last night. So I want to show you around. So this here, you can actually see as I go around, there's only a few lights on in a few different rooms. I reckon there would be maybe 20 rooms, maybe 15, 20 rooms occupied. You can see all these rooms up here. There's no one in them. My room is actually just here, 1, 2, 6 this time, one of their deluxe rooms. And you can see how beautiful the pool is looking. And this has been pretty empty for the last few days. And I was here a couple of weeks ago and it was very busy. This whole place was full of action, full of life. And now you can see it is just, it's so quiet. There's nothing going on. And yeah, this will become the TRIBE Bali Legian. So a few things are going to change. They're going to renovate the restaurant. Obviously, also the lobby. They're going to renovate all the rooms. All the rooms are going to change to become the TRIBE. The pool as well. The pool, I believe, will stay very similar, but it's going to change in regards to the style, maybe the colour. Kids pool there as well. And yeah, this beautiful place will become something very special, being the TRIBE Bali Legian. So yeah, just a quick video today. I just want to show you firstly, yeah, the bit of the atmosphere that's going on this evening. And then tomorrow, when we wake up, I'm going to talk to some guests, meet some of the team and see what they think about the changes. And good night. I'll see you guys in the morning. But this is my final night, the final night here at the Ibis Styles Bali Legian. Welcome to the morning and welcome to the final hours of the Ibis Styles Bali Legian. As it is now, this hotel in 4 to 5 months will reopen and it's going to become the TRIBE. So now less than 10 rooms here at the hotel. So I just want to go and check how many are left because I want to try and be the last one here. And I'll show you a bit around the property now. Look at this, guys. So the rooms are all being cleaned out. There's not many people left now in the property. I think we're down to the final few rooms. Let's go and have a look at the pool area for the last time. It's going to be different next time. Next time we stay, the pool will be redone. It's going to be very similar, but it's going to be look new and improved. So this is our beautiful pool down here. they've already stopped the waterfall, and we have the final moments here at the Ibis Styles Bali Legian beach. So guys, just this will be like the final memories of this property, so you can see exactly what it looks like you were here on the final days. So yeah, it's really interesting to see the property and the whole process of them closing for this renovation. Even in the restaurant, they've already packed a lot of things up. The tables and chairs are all now there. So yeah, it's all going to be changing very, very soon. I'm back now in my deluxe room, and one of the sad things that's going to happen is this really nice outdoor shower that they had, which I really enjoyed. This is their outdoor shower, is going to be gone. This is going to be the new bathroom for these rooms under the Tribe. They're actually going to be opening it up, so you'll have a lot more space. This will be the bathroom in here, and then your actual room itself will be bigger. So this kind of will be the room, and then this will be the bathroom in the new design, which is going to be really cool. But it is sad we will be losing this guy, the outdoor shower, which I really, really enjoyed here at the Ibis Styles Bali Legian. So that is the Ibis Styles Bali Legian. It's closed now. You cannot book anymore until the 1st of August. So I'm going to be there on the 1st of August if you guys want to come and join me, or whatever day will be the first day it opens, I will be there at the property. So go and book now, get in early, get in quick before the rooms sell out, because I'm sure they're only releasing a handful of rooms as it reopens. So yeah, very cool. Drop in the comments down below. Let me know what you've loved about the hotel. If you had some good experiences, let me know, put it in the comments down below. If you want to do any shout outs to any of the team members, I'm happy. I'll share this video and also the comments with everyone at the team at the Ibis Styles Bali Legian. And yeah, let me know what you maybe would hope for in the future when it becomes a Tribe. Is there anything you're hoping that they do? Is there hoping that they have in the rooms, or maybe something different, something that they're changing? Let me know your suggestions down in the comments below, and also let me know any feedback from your stays over the last few years. You know, it's been open a long time. It was all seasons, then turned to Ibis Styles, and now going to be transformed into the Tribe Bali Legian. So very exciting stuff. So come and have a look. Come and stay. 1st of August, reopening. I hope to see you guys there. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I've got ratedrop.net. Save money on your flexible Accor hotel stays. You can sign up today. It's completely free. You can track 3 bookings for free, and we'll essentially monitor them. And if the price drops, we'll rebook them for you, and you save money. So it's a win-win for you guys. Very cool. Ibis Styles Bali Legian. Until next time, where I catch you from somewhere else around the world. And Accor Properties, it is Reggie out. Also, just quickly before I go, do you know what this property is? Let me know. Comments down below. Maybe there'll be a prize for the first person that guesses where I am right now.